We have three different lines, and our Desmos activity is going to be dealing with slope and lines here as well. One has a slope of 1, one has a slope of 2, and one has a slope of 1/5. Remember, the steeper the line is, the greater the slope. So which color is the steepest?
Yellow.
The yellow, the orange one there, however you want to view that color. So that has to be the biggest number. And that means this one would have to be 1, and then the flattest one is closest to 0. So that would have to be a 1/5. And you could certainly draw your triangles and count them. 1 up and 5 over as well. You get the same answer. Just remember it's rise over run. Question number 2, Adam, how many lines should we have drawn there? What's it say? 3 with a slope of 2 and 3 with a slope of 1/3. So a total of 6 lines should be drawn there. Okay, slope of 2. Just draw a dot. Up 2 over 1, up 2 over 1, up 2 over 1. Draw another dot, up 2 over 1, up 2 over 1, up 2 over 1. Draw another dot, up 2 over 1, up 2 over 1. And the whole point is, what should be true about those? They should be parallel. Wyatt, are yours parallel?
Yeah, that's pretty parallel.
They're almost as close to a circle as they are a line.
Whoops.
Nope, not a good thing. So there is slope of 2. And then it wants you to also do a third. So pick a dot somewhere. Up 1 over 3, up 1 over 3. Pick a dot somewhere. Up 1 over 3, up 1 over 3. Pick a dot somewhere. Up 1 over 3, up 1 over 3. And then what should be true about those as well is they should be parallel, of course, also. But should have 6 lines because it told us to draw 2 sets of 3. Question number 3. Figure shows 2 right triangles, each with its longest side on the same line. So by looking at this, I can tell you the slope has to be the same because they're on the same line. Let's see what the questions are. Explain how you know the 2 triangles are similar. Well, in order to be similar, sides are proportional or have the same scale factor. Angles are the same. That's how you know they're similar. How long is XY? Well, I could figure out 2 times what is 3. That would be 1.5 and do the same to 4. Or you can compare the triangles themselves and say, hey, that's double. So that one has to be double. Or you could just simply count because it is a nice whole number. Either way, you should get 6. Vertical side divided by horizontal side for both of them. So vertical over horizontal. 2 over 4. 3 over 6. Both reduce to 1/2. That kind of answers that question as well. What is the slope? It's 1/2. Up 1 over 2. So if we look at it, up 1 over 2, up 1 over 2, up 1 over 2, up 1 over 2. That's the dots you are connecting in order to draw your line. Triangle A, 3, 4, 5. B is 6, 7, 8. Explain how you know it is not similar. Gavin, why is it not similar?
Because they're not proportionate.
Yeah, it looks pretty good, right? 3 times 2, 4 times 2. The problem is 5 times 2 is not listed. So different scale factors were used. So if I have triangle A being 3, 4, 5, it says give me triangle B. Give me some numbers that would be similar.
Um, 3, 4, and 6.
No. 3, 4, 5 would be if it's the same. Gabby got one?
6, 8.
Could double them all. Santa got another one?
You can do 12, 16, and 20.
Took them all times 4 or doubled these. Yeah. A lot of different possibilities you could have there, but whatever you do, you got to do it to all of them. So a lot of different options there for number 4.